2024 Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Yamaha WR250R. In the ever-growing landscape of dual sport motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Yamaha WR250R emerges as a standout choice, combining Yamaha's commitment to performance with a user-friendly design. Renowned for its off-road prowess and on-road versatility, the WR250R stands as an ideal entry point for novice riders seeking a dual sport experience that seamlessly transitions between urban streets and rugged trails. The Yamaha WR250R is powered by a potent 250 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. Engineered for both off-road agility and on-road efficiency, this powerplant offers a perfect balance of manageable power and torque, making it suitable for riders new to the dual sport genre. The WR250R's responsive throttle and linear power delivery provide a smooth and predictable riding experience, allowing beginners to confidently tackle diverse terrains. Design-wise, the WR250R exhibits a purposeful and aggressive aesthetic, reflecting its off-road capabilities. The bike features a slim and lightweight chassis, complemented by sharp lines and a high-mounted exhaust, contributing to its distinctive dual-sport appearance. The blend of form and function makes the WR250R an attractive option for riders who appreciate a bike that not only performs well but also looks the part. Comfort is a key consideration for dual-sport riders, and the Yamaha WR250R addresses this with its well-thought-out ergonomic design. The bike's upright riding position, comfortable seat, and wide handlebars promote rider comfort during both short commutes and more extended off-road adventures. The WR250R's accommodating nature encourages riders to explore various terrains while maintaining a comfortable and controlled riding experience. Handling is a standout feature of the WR250R, characterized by its agility and responsiveness. The bike's lightweight chassis, advanced suspension, and a well-balanced center of gravity contribute to precise control both on and off-road. Novice riders will appreciate the WR250R's forgiving nature, allowing them to build confidence and skill progressively while enjoying a stable and controlled ride in diverse conditions. Safety features are integrated into the WR250R, including a reliable braking system that provides ample stopping power. While ABS may not be standard on all models, the WR250R's overall design and performance contribute to a safe and enjoyable riding experience for beginners venturing into the dual sport realm. Affordability is a noteworthy aspect of the WR250R's appeal. With a competitive price point, the bike offers an accessible entry into the dual sport segment without compromising on Yamaha's commitment to quality and durability. This makes the Yamaha WR250R an attractive option for beginners seeking a reliable and versatile dual-sport motorcycle that can effortlessly navigate both on-road and off-road adventures. In conclusion, the 2024 Yamaha WR250R stands as an exceptional choice for beginners entering the dual-sport motorcycle arena. Its potent performance, versatile design, and Yamaha's reputation for reliability make it an ideal companion for riders eager to explore a variety of terrains, solidifying the WR250R's position as a top pick for those embarking on their dual sport adventures.